I will never compromise my salvation. I've told you several times, you don't need the church to be rich. No. If you want to be rich, you can stop coming to church. Follow the principle of prosperity. You can still be rich. And I'm comforted that they think that the church makes people prosperous. No. That one is bonus. It's not the main reason why Christ came. Christ came for your salvation. But the beautiful thing is that so what you quite yet to choir. Ye a bonus ma okristo nebia. Katonia say prosperity is a bonus for your life. Say do what is right. Serve him right. Follow the right things. And say to the person, that is all. Or say, seek first the kingdom of God and its righteousness, and all other things shall be added. So seek first. What if tomorrow never comes? And I do, you know, Kodana yan sorry be moi, I will save. Set your heart. Ask yourself this question for me. If Jesus comes tomorrow, am I safe? And Kofo say you should be bank waba. You don't want to say. For ne tonche.